I said earlier, this is a 110 volt vacuum pump and is oilless. It is never going to need any maintenance, and I have run this thing for over 2 hours and not had a single issue with it. I went ahead and hooked mine up to my masso right here. I use the coolant flood function on the back because I do not have my machine hooked up for the vacuum function because my vacuum is a 220 vacuum. So I went ahead and used that additional receptacle that was just open and ready to be used, and that's where I plugged in this machine. So that was just an added little bonus that made the process just a little bit easier. This whole thing is incredibly modular. So it's got this very small vacuum tube and it just goes into this quick connect. So you just push it in and there you go. It is ready to be used. You can move this thing anywhere you want. Obviously earlier on the video I had it screwed up to the ceiling because it's no hassle at all just to be able to pull this thing around. You cannot say that about any other vacuum work holding system on the market, and Airweights has just figured out a very easy way to be able to throw this on your machine, use it when you're done, be able to take it away, and just not have to worry about the entire system at all. If you're somebody who is going to be using this a lot and you know that you need to index it in the exact same place on your CNC machine every single time, using your machine to go ahead and locate all the holes and then putting threaded inserts into your waste board so that you can just bolt this down repeatably in the same time is definitely the way to go. Every single purchase of an Airweight kit is going to come with a ton of different files as well so that you can use those to make the jigs that you need so you're not having to get this thing and then measure it out. All of that comes with it.